All right, let's talk about A/B testing our funnels and our landing pages. What is A/B testing, also known as split testing? It's a method used to compare two versions of a funnel or landing page to determine which one performs better in guiding users through a conversion funnel. The primary goal here is always to improve conversion rates, things like opt-ins, calls booked, purchases, whatever the end goal is of your landing page, of your funnel. We want to figure out what we can do to achieve that goal as efficiently, effectively, cost-effectively as possible, while maintaining the quality of those leads or sales. When/what should we A/B test? The short answer here is everything. The smallest changes can make the biggest impacts. I have seen literally just changing one headline increase conversion rates by over 20%. Keep in mind that we typically do not begin an A/B test until we have a proven offer that's working to some degree. The idea behind an A/B test is to improve something that's already proven to work, and we can't refine and improve something that's not already working. Note, if you are a bit more experienced like myself, you can test totally different page versions to determine your winning version before naming it your control and beginning your A/B test. If you're someone like me who builds a ton of funnels, you're going to know based on the goal of the funnel, the ideal customer, the target demographic, typically what type of funnel design and elements you're going to need in order to get a high conversion rate, but you may have multiple things you want to test because of your knowledge, and you have multiple things that are working really well. So you want to test two completely different style funnels to see which one works better, and then name that your control page and begin your A/B test. If you're brand new, watch channels like mine, watch other channels, courses you're in, whatever, to figure out what would be a good basic funnel type for what you are trying to achieve, and then start there and just A/B test from there. In the link down below, or in the description rather, there is a link to my completely free funnel bootcamp that will teach you how to create all different types of funnels. It's totally free. Again, do not A/B test an offer that's not already validated and proven. We can't refine something that's not working. So once you've figured out what your control page is going to be, right? You've built your funnel, you built your opt-in page, your sales page, whatever it is. People are going through it. You're getting some data. You're seeing that it's an offer people actually want. Then what we do is we create a variation of that page. So we duplicate that control page because it gives us an exact replica of the page that's already working. From here, we can begin making small changes and split our traffic between the two pages. This will allow us to determine what positive or negative effect our changes made on our conversion rate. So now we begin our testing. Pro tip, remember the first fold, this is the first section someone sees before their first scroll, of your landing page is the most important part. It's the first thing visitors see and determines if they continue to scroll. So this Google Doc, for example, this is the first fold, everything you see before I scroll. That's the most important part of your landing page. Now, with this in mind, I like to test elements one by one from top up to bottom of the landing page. Once you determine your winning version, test a new version or move on to a new element. Typically, this means following the order below. We'll take our control version, and then we'll take our variation version, and on our variation, we will test a completely new headline. We'll split the traffic. We'll see which one of those versions converts better. If it's our old control version that wins, we'll just keep that as is, and we'll test a new subheadline. If it's our new variation version, we'll name that the winner, and it becomes our new control version. Then we move on to subheadline, and we just follow this list. And then if there's anything else you want to test, you can do that. And we just repeat this process. We take the winner, it becomes our control version, or stays our control version. We test the next thing. Once an A/B test change is made, you always want to make sure you split test your traffic 50-50 between the control and variation page. So we can see right here I have traffic split 50-50. This means if 100 people click on my ad or click on my link, 50 of them will see the control, 50 of them will see the variation. I like to see at least 100 page visitors on each version before I make a judgment call on the winner. So that would be 200 clicks or visitors total, 100 going to control, 100 going to variation. Remember, the goal here is to increase conversion rates. Some tests might decrease it, and that's okay. Just continue to test new versions or go back to your winning version. And what you'll find is that once you've tested all of these things and you've gone through this process, what you'll have at the end of it is the highest converting, most efficient version of this sales funnel or lead gen funnel possible. So if you have any questions, drop them down below. Like I said, my funnel bootcamp you can access for free down there as well. My email is also down there if you want to reach out and have any questions. But anyways, hope you found this valuable. Appreciate you watching. And as always, I will see you next time. Peace.